Okay, this is how to make kind of a fortified milk cube setup for making ice cream when you're in a pinch. I haven't gone to the store. I need to go to the store, and I'm not going to go to the store right now because in a few hours I want to make ice cream. So I'm just going to make some pseudo milk cubes. And I'm just going to do that with some non-fat dry milk and some whey protein powder. And yeah, let's do it. Okay. Bring out the Vitamix. You don't need a Vitamix for this. Any blender will do. I'm just going to use this and add about a cup of water for right now. So I'm going to put this in an ice tray, so a cup and a half actually will work. Okay, cup and a half of water. This has markings on it, but I just used a little measuring cup. Oh look, exactly 300 grams worth of water. That's pretty cool. All right, now for this stuff to work, it's 1 cup milk and 1 cup water and 23 grams of this stuff. So this goes by weight. This is 1/3 cup, but I go by weight. So 23 grams will give us the same as the non-fat milk. There we go. I like to keep this stuff for emergencies because it's dry. It doesn't go bad or anything like that. It never spoils. So that's what I use for a little pinch like this. And if you want to add fats to it, you can put nuts or something in there. All depends on what you want. Since we have a cup and a half of water, I'm going to add half a serving of this vanilla protein powder. And that's going to be about 20 grams worth that I want. And that's pretty close. A little extra there. And that's it. That's pretty much milk cubes in a pinch. Just do a little bit of a stir. It helps for me to actually tighten the bottom here. I just mix it. And then I put it at low speed so that it gets rid of the foam. And that is it. That is made. Yep. So that's that. I'm just going to pour this in this ice cube tray or milk cube tray. This is what I commonly use it for. Now I like to use the whey protein in here because part of the ingredient in this whey protein, I got this one from Target, it's my favorite, is that they put xanthan gum in it. Now a lot of people don't know what xanthan gum is. It's basically, it's just a thickener. If you want to do like the vegan way of doing it, you can use chia seed. Chia seed works as a thickener, but that's basically it. Here are my milk cubes. I'm just going to freeze these and use these for ice cream later.